Hello everyone and welcome to a new broker's review by tradingforex.com. So today we will have a look together at IC markets. So as you can see, we are here on the website of icmarkets.com, which is the global website. I will mention also by logging from Europe that you get a pop-up from which you need to go to icmarket.eu. So we will also open it as well to make the difference between the two different domain and regulations. But now let's get started with the global website of icmarkets.com. As usual, we start with the home page, having a look at the different banners. Promotion of stock trading here, spread starting from 0, a leverage of up to 1 to 1000, micro lot trading, a lot of instruments over 2250 and 24/7 supports. Let's continue here. We have low spread, fast execution under 40 milliseconds, access to the low latency of the servers based in New York, the Equinix NY4, as well as low latency available with a free VPS offer. So we have some very professional conditions and transparent conditions here. So as you can see, reduced slippage, over $29 billion in FX trades processed daily. Here more numbers, more very big numbers, 1.64 trillion in volume in April, 200,000 clients, very good Trustpilot review, excellent, I must say, at 4.8. Then we scroll down in the homepage and we have access to a lot of platforms, MT4, MT5, CTrader and TradingView, all the different instruments available, big numbers as well, 500,000 trades, access to the Equinix NY4 data center. So IC Market is definitely a broker that is algo friendly, as we can see, insisting on the low latency, fast execution, lots of payment methods that we will look later in the menu. Simple way to open an account. You just have to register, verify your account, fund and trade. We also have access here to the IC Market Global Mobile app. Additional tool here that we will look into it. IC Markets webinars, important, being made on the education, and we are here in the bottom. So let's get started now with the menu. So here you already have a quick start menu with a lot of different features. So let's get started here. Why IC Markets Global? So as we've seen on the homepage, we have access to very low spread, fast execution, superior technology. Now let's look at what you can trade with IC Markets Global. So in Forex, we have 61 currency pairs, 25 indices. Important to mention that for the Forex, you have up to 1 to 1000. For the indices, up to 1 to 200. Commodities, over 20 CFDs on commodities, with a leverage of up to 1 to 1000, over 2100 stocks from which you can earn dividends from that are available on MT4 with the leverage going up to 1 to 20, CFD on bonds, so you have 9 bonds available, which is not very common, so very interesting to see bonds available here at IC Markets with a leverage going up to 200. Cryptocurrency with the 29 most popular cryptocurrencies, which are also available on the weekend. So this is a big plus. That's why we are going through the website to see the features that are different from what is usually being offered. And a strong leverage of 1 to 200 for MT4, MT5, and 1 to 5 on CTrader and TradingView. And last but not least, the futures with 4 global futures with no commission, with the leverage going up to 200. Now there is a whole section on simple pricing, so let's have a look at that and comment it together. Simple pricing, so tight spreads as low as 0. Here are the spreads. If I go on Forex, I immediately have a table here and we can compare. Most of the minimum spreads are at 0. The average here for euro dollar is at 0.02 for the raw spread account, and for the standard account 0.8 minimum and 0.82 average. I can also look at the commodities with the gold that we usually have a look at it. So as we can see here, the commodities are separated. We have all the real commodities, coffee, cocoa, Brent, but the gold is actually on the metal here. XAU USD, here is the gold dollar with a minimum spread of 0 and an average spread of 1.083. And for the standard accounts, we do have a minimum spread here of 1. Then we'll have a look at the indices with the US 30 as usual, having in all accounts a minimum spread of 1 and an average of 1.411. Then below here we have the commission rates. Important to understand the micro lot commission and the standard lot commission. As you can see here, you do have the commission per round turn, as well as the CTrader and TradingView commission rate, which is different, is per 100,000. So as you can see, we have here $3 per 100,000, and a commission on one lot Euro USD as an example will be the following. So here we have 3 account types. So the standard on MetaTrader with 0 commission, the row spreads lower, obviously row spread being close to 0 or at 0 as we can see on the above tables, and a commission of $3.5 per lot per side, so a $7 round turn. And finally the row spread for CTrader, which is a row spread account plus $3 per 100k volume. We continue in our menu here. Let's have a look at Forex trading and see what do we have here. An explanation of the different account types. So we have a demo account here, Forex CFD trading, general explanation, and the Raw Trader Plus. Since it's a new feature, let's have a look at it. Okay, so here we are. You do have an exclusive rebate for the high volume traders. Tier 1, you can get a $1.5 per lot for FX and metals. If you trade over 100 lots, you can get a $2.25 if you trade over 1,000 lots, and a $2.50 for over 2,000 lots. So let's see how the calculation is being made. We calculate the volume-based rebate based on the numbers of trades you have placed and closed. You must continuously meet our volume requirements over a 3-month period to retain your Raw Trade Plus membership. I invite you to have a look at the terms and conditions for more details, but basically it's quite simple. By completing this volume, then you will receive the rebate according to the tier that we have. And it's important to mention that this volume must be made per calendar month to receive the rebate. So this is how you sign up with the Raw Trader Plus, by sending here, contacting to this email address. Now let's have a look at our live account section. So by clicking on live account, I have access now to start my registration process. Now let's have a look at the demo account. Now we have a simple registration for demo account opening. We also have access, as you can see, to the menu here within this bar, which is very convenient. So how to deposit. So there's a lot of method here. Let's go through them. Credit, debit card, PayPal, NetTeller VIP, Skrill and Union Pay. As you can see, let's scroll into them with the accepted currencies. Some of them, for example, are available only in Australian or Thai internet banking in dollars. A lot of payment solution, as well as the time that it takes for the funds to reflect in your client cabinet. As you can see, most of them are instant, but some of them needs a little bit more time, such as Thai internet banking that is only 15 to 30 minutes, or wire transfer obviously take 2 to 5 business days depending on the country that is being sent from as well. And now let's have a look at the withdrawal. So here you have a lot of information on how to withdraw from your secure area. Of course, it's very important to get the right information, so very transparent to put all the details here. Not to have any surprise or misinformation, I invite all traders to spend time having a look at this withdrawal page. But to keep this video within a limited time, we can't read the whole page, so we will continue here with the global mobile app. Okay, so there is an IC Market global app available for MetaTrader 4, 5 and CTrader, giving you access to trade, as you can see, buy and sell CFDs at low spread, access the world of the CFD, you can fund your account, you can check out the economic calendar, you can ask your question in the multilingual live chat, and you can monitor your balance, your equity and your margin. Okay, as you can see, you can upload and verify your documents, have access to all the multiple method of payments and trade on the go. So very interesting app that is also MetaTrader and CTrader native mobile. And we continue in our quick start menu by having a look at the different trading platform. So first of all, MetaTrader, which platform do we have on the MetaTrader? As you can see here, we have MetaTrader 4 with the conditions that we have mentioned earlier, with the leverage of up to 1 to 1000. MetaTrader 5 as well. Here it is, with no restriction on trading, low spread, level 2 pricing and market depth, which is available on MT5. Very interesting. The web trader as well, MetaTrader for iPhone, iPad, Android and Mac. Then we have TradingView. So as you can see here, IC Markets is also offering TradingView, which is a big plus since it's a platform that is also gaining a lot of interest in the past few years. So you do have TradingView for desktop and mobile app. And finally, as a trading platform, we do have access as well to the CTrader platform with all its advantages that you can see here. Low spread, fast execution, a lot of indicators and trading tools, absolutely no restriction on trading. You do have access to the market depth with level 2 pricing, the smart stop outs, and much more. Then we do have the web trader, that is the MetaTrader web trader, as you can see, in which you can choose your MT4 or MT5 account and open it directly from the web. Now let's have a look at the IC Social. And with the IC Social, what do you have? This is a tool powered by Pelican Trading that gives you access to an app in which you can connect your account. And as you can see, you do have access to signal trading, to a social community, to risk copy management. And for all traders interesting for the social trader, then you do have the IC Social app. Now, what do we have on the Signal Starts? It's also a very interesting feature offered by IC Markets, in which a trader will have a chance to connect your trading account under 60 seconds, select one of the top signals here, and start copying and receiving the signals. Very simple. So as you can see here, you do have the information of the provider, of each signal provider, with their current balance, their leverage, platform, and the fee for this service. Now let's have a look at Zulu Trade. Zulu Trade is a well-known social platform, one of the oldest, with a lot of different features. So as you can see, you have then a Zulu rank, you have an account protection, a simulation. So basically you have access to another social trader that is powered by Zulu Trade as well. So now with the quick start menu, we already have seen most of the information that is available in the rest of the menu. For example, the platform, we've already seen that we have MT4, MT5, web trader, CTrader as well, TradingView. On the trading side, we've seen the funding options, the different instruments already, the pricing, but as we can see here, we have all the range of the product that we've seen already: futures, stock, cryptocurrency, bonds, commodities, etc. Let's have a look at the Islamic account that we have not seen until now. So here IC Markets offer an Islamic account, which is a swap-free account. So this option is available for both the raw spread account and standard account on MT4, MT5 and CTrader. So let's have a look at the overnight charges. So for example here, let's have a look at the major currency pairs. There is a holding fee that will be $2 per lot. For the Australian dollar, $3 per lot. For the euro dollar, then if we look at the minors, they have different charges. Exotics a little bit higher. Indices as well. You have everything on the table. And let's look at the small terms and conditions just to understand how those charges are being made. So the holding fee will be charged every calendar day, including weekends. So as you can see, instead of having swaps, you will be charged a fixed fee based on your currency per night. The new position though will benefit from a 5-day grace period. And during this time frame, no holding fee will be incurred. Therefore, it's important to understand that these swap-free conditions gives you a 5-day grace period from which you will not be charged anything. And following that period, you will start being charged this amount based on your currency per day, including the weekends. Now let's continue here. We've seen the platform. Let's just have a look at those trading tools here, what we've not seen in the quick start menu, sorry. Okay, let's start with the VPS. So there is a partnership here between IC Markets and forexvps.net, as well as NYC servers here. And as you can see, to qualify for a sponsored VPS, you must meet the minimum monthly criteria that we can find below. So here for the standard of 15 lots per month, Pro 30 lots per month, and Premium 70 lots per month, you will have access to a free VPS. Now, IC Insights. So IC Insight, as we can see here, it's powered by TipRanks, which is a research and analysis platform that will give you a lot of tools in order to understand the different investor sentiment. This whole analysis, especially if you are a fundamental trader, as a technical trader, maybe you might rely more on your technical indicators, on your robots, on your charts, but as a fundamental as well, you might use market sentiment to understand where you stand in the midst of all the traders' sentiment, and you can have access here to a lot of data showing you if more traders might be bullish, bearish, or neutral. Now let's have a look at Trading Central as well, which is being offered. A very old and respected tool. Trading Central is offering a lot of research analytics. So we have economic calendars, featured ideas, newsletter. To be honest, the more the better, because then you have the opportunity to filter with the information that you want. But it's better to have access to all this information, because sometimes you might find value into using Trading Central with one of their different tools that they're offering here. You have the Market Buzz as well, Technical Views, Trading Central videos, and let's finish with the MT4 Advanced Trading Tools. Let's see what's available here for MT4. So once again, IC Market is providing a lot of tools and technology for its traders. So as you can see, you have 20 exclusive trading tools that are not available on MT4, but you can use them here to make your trading journey more enjoyable, such as an alarm manager, correlation matrix, correlation trader. So it will compare the correlation between two symbols and trade the emerging difference. You can read through each of them. Let's click on one of them to have a look at what it is. So this is absolutely beautiful. You see, I can click on any of them and I have access to a full presentation. Here the correlation matrix and how to set up the parameters. Let's continue now with the more menu. So in the company, let's look at the regulation. So here IC Market, being in the global website, IC Market here complies with the FSA regulatory requirements, offers segregation of clients' funds, anti-money laundering, and here is the Seychelles license number SD018. Let's have a look at the insurance, since this is also something that is not always available in all brokers. We do have a client funds insurance up to $1 million. No opt-in is required and no extra costs. So let's have a look even at the certificates. I invite you to have a look at the FAQ if you want to know more. As you can see, you have some explanation here that the insurance includes the available balance and open CFD positions. The insurance is available to all IC Markets global clients of road trading, LTD, and the certificate is here. As you can see, the period is still available until the 3rd of May 2025. So as you can see, it's being renewed on a yearly basis, and a maximum aggregate amount here in respect of all claimants' net losses shall be $1 million, which is the shared aggregate. Now we are also entering a very important menu, which is the education. As you can see, there is a whole bunch of different features here in the education. Let's have a look at the overview. So what do we have? Okay, in the overview, just some general information on how to get started, advantages of Forex, CFDs, video tutorials. Let's go through the menu. So here we have some general written information. Let's have a look at the video tutorials. You do also have a web TV. So a lot of education, as you can see here. Advantage Web TV, you have webinars, you even have podcasts. Let's click on the podcast here. Wow, you have a whole landing page here with different podcasts with the host Pamela Amber here. And you have access to all the episodes right there. Finally, under the help and resource, you have a help center here with the whole FAQ. Always I invite all traders before joining the chat, before having doubts. You will often find your answer in the FAQ. It's often underused since, as you can see, there are so many questions. You also have a lot of Forex calendars. You also have several Forex calculators. So what do we have? We have an all-in-one calculator here. PIP calculator, C-Trader, margin swap, profits. You can choose your calculator here. An economic calendar, very nice calendar here, in which you can see the price charts, even charts. Add to your calendar, have different filters here. And now some general information about cybersecurity and scams and protecting your accounts. But I want to get now into the partners menu to have a look at what IC Markets Global is offering for its partners. So as you can see here, we have a CPA affiliate program from which you can receive up to $650 per client referral, and a partner program which is more an IB program from which you will earn based on the client's trading volume. Let's click on learn more here. So as you can see, when the target volume is achieved for 3 consecutive months, you can get an extra commission here per lot, becoming an IB. And for the CPA, as you can see, there are a lot of benefits on the IC Market CPA affiliate program. No trading volume requirements. So this is how the reward requirement is. Holds and approved and verified. So the client needs to approve and verify his or her accounts, funds a minimum of $200, execute trades with a total of 5 lots within 90 days periods to qualify for the CPA. For all SEO professional, website owners, trading educators, influencers, digital marketers, bloggers, this program might be of interest for you. And we will finish, as always, with the general Trustpilot rating, which is at 4.8 and 38,000 reviews. So as we can see, a lot of good reviews and a good rating for IC Markets. And this is how we end our online review of IC Markets. And I wish you all a happy trading, and bye-bye.